In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install TradingView on laptop Windows. TradingView is an incredibly powerful platform for charting, market analysis, and trading. Whether you're a beginner exploring the financial markets or a seasoned trader looking for advanced tools, having the desktop app installed on your Windows laptop can streamline your workflow and make your experience faster and more efficient. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the TradingView app ready to go, and you'll be all set to dive into your favorite charts and analysis tools. If you don't already have a TradingView account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. It's quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your Windows laptop. This could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any browser you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, head over to the TradingView homepage. You can do this by typing www.tradingview.com directly into the address bar and pressing Enter. Navigating to the homepage this way is faster and more reliable than searching for it, as it ensures you land on the correct website. Now, once you're on the TradingView homepage, look toward the top of the screen to locate the top menu bar. This menu contains several options, but what you're looking for is the one labeled More. Hover your mouse cursor over the More option to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains additional features and tools, including a section for downloading the app. If your browser window is smaller or resized, the More option might appear as a three-line menu instead. Don't worry if you see that. Just click the three-line icon, and you'll find the same options inside. Next, in the drop-down menu, hover over the Download section to expand it. Here, you'll see a few different options for downloading TradingView. Click on the one labeled Desktop App. Selecting this option will take you to the download page specifically for the TradingView desktop application. On the download page, look for the button that says Windows Download. It's important to click this specific button to make sure you're downloading the version that's compatible with your Windows operating system. Once you've clicked it, the download will begin. Now, depending on your internet connection speed, the file may take a few moments to download. Be patient and let the process complete. When the download is finished, navigate to your Downloads folder on your computer. This is where the installer file will typically be saved by default. If you're unsure how to find it, you can use the File Explorer to locate the Downloads folder. Once you've found the installer file, double-click on it to start the installation process. At this stage, your computer may prompt you with a security confirmation. This is a standard measure by Windows to ensure that you trust the file you're installing. If you see a message asking for permission, click Yes or run to continue. Now the TradingView installer will open and you'll just need to follow the on-screen prompts. These instructions are usually straightforward and guide you step by step. The installer will handle most of the process automatically, so you won't need to do much beyond confirming a few options as needed. Once the installation is complete, check your desktop for a new TradingView shortcut icon. This icon is what you'll use to launch the app. Double-click the shortcut to open TradingView for the first time. When the app launches, you'll be prompted to log in. Use your TradingView credentials to sign in. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can sign in with your Gmail or another connected account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. You can use the Forgot Password link to reset it quickly. And that's it! You're now ready to start using the TradingView desktop app for all your charting, analysis, and trading needs. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.